Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make a new build order in H4 Coach using a public game record. So what I have here is a video casted by Aussie Drongo where he shows a Druganu Rush made by Avli, and I thought this build was really interesting. So I wanted to learn to play the Chinese using that exact same build. And what the H4 Coach allows you to do is extract all the instructions that Avali did during that game and translate it into a build order that I can then modify in the app. So let me show you how you do that. First you go to prepare build orders, then make sure that you're signed in, and then you go to create build orders. You can see you have two options. The first one is to create a build order from scratch, which is what you do not want because then it means you have to write down each and every instructions yourself. The second one is creating a game from a game record, and that's what we want. So let's go here, and then let's look for our player. Okay, so that's Avli, Conqueror 3, and we want to find that game from a few days ago where he played as the Chinese against Poppy Paw, and that game is somewhere over here. See in the middle, 5 days ago the game lasted 18 minutes against Poppy Paw as the Ottomans. So let's go into that game, and you can see that the app shows you all the build instructions that Avali did during that game. He started by making a mill at 12 seconds, then queuing villagers, build an Imperial Academy, and so on and so forth. So okay, looks good. I want to create a new build order using that game. And so I press this button and now it sets it up for me. I can name it Druganu Rush by Avli. And you can see that it shows everything that happened in that game. What we want to do is probably cut it short because right now it shows you that the build length is 17 minutes. It will show you everything that happened during those 17 minutes. But what I want to do is just guide me in the beginning up until he researches siege engineering and produces his first few rams. So maybe after 1147, I want to kind of delete everything that happens after 1147. So if I scroll, you will see that here I have the option to delete everything after 1147. So watch the build length. Right now it says 1729. Now I press the button, and now the build length is 1147. So that's going to be my first version of the build order by Avli. If I do save new build, now I can use it when I play. So I can go to play with the coach app. I'm gonna play as the Chinese, and here it is, Druganu Rush by Avli. If I review the game plan, then I can see what it will say to me as I play. And if I do coach
Good
game,
luck, have fun.
then it will play out everything that happens in that game.
Build 1 mill.
So this feature is great. There's still a few limitations. In particular, it assumes that every building that you build, you only put one villager on it. So what this means is if Avali happened to put, let's say, 5 villagers to build the Barbican of the Sun, the timing in this game plan is going to be it's going to be off. So here you can see that the app tells you, okay, at 4:07, build 1 Barbican of the Sun with 1 villager. In fact, if you look at the video, he put 5 people on the Barbican of the Sun, and he probably started building it a bit later. Let's fix the timing on the Barbican of the Sun. Let's look at the video.
Age up comes through though. Both players now reaching the feudal age. Avli going to be looking to drop down his Barbican. Where does he go with the Barbican? Only 2.
Okay, so at 4:47, he drops down the Barbican of the Sun. Let's fix this Barbican of the Sun timing from 7 seconds to 447. 447. So now you can see how it got reordered. Build the Barbican of the Sun with 5 villagers. The last limitation of this feature is that it cannot read the villager allocation. So for this, there is no way around it. You will have to look at the video and kind of see where you rally your town center, how many people you put on food, wood, and gold, and where you send your imperial officers. So that's the only thing that's a little bit manual, but as you can see, it already simplifies a lot of the hard work. I hope you have fun with this feature and that it helps you make build orders and learn the game faster. Thanks for watching.